Hello, my dear students. Myself, Yogeshwar. I am here. I congratulate you in this class of biology. Do you know what things make our body? Yes, very good. These are organ systems that make our body, just like digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system, and so on. Can anybody tell me what things make these organ systems? Oh yes, very fine. These are organs, just like stomach, small intestine, large intestine, tongue. These are organs which make the digestive system. In the same way, these organs are made up of tissues. Anybody of you can tell me what things these tissues are made up of? Yes, these are cells. You have learned about cells in class 8 and you know the definition of cell. In this chapter, we will study about cell. The heading is cell, the basic unit of life. And as you know the definition, I would like to write the definition. Cell is the structural and functional unit of all living bodies. Here, underline the three words: structural, functional, and unit. Can you tell me why the cells are called unit of all living bodies? It is so because all the bodies, all living bodies are made up of cells, as a wall is made up of bricks. So, cell is the unit of all living bodies. Can you tell me any organism which is made up of single cell? Yes, it is amoeba, paramecium, euglena. These are made up of single cells. Our body is made up of billions of cells. It means whether the body is made up of a single cell or many cells. The body is made up of cells. So, cell is the unit of living bodies. But why we say cell is the structural unit of living bodies? Cells are constituting the bodies of a single cell or multicellular organism. So, cells are structural unit of living bodies. But again, a question arises: why cell is called functional unit of living bodies? You have learnt different life processes, just like nutrition, respiration, excretion. These all life processes take place only and only in living bodies. And All these functions take place in each and every living cell. So all the functions that take place in living bodies take place in every cell. So cells are the functional unit of living bodies. And in the heading, the term is used life. Life means living bodies. So now today you have learned what is cell. Cell is the unit of living bodies. Cell is the structural unit of living bodies. Cell is the functional unit of living bodies. Next day we will study about more about the cells, and for that you must come here with uh, after studying the history of discovery of cell and morphology of cell. Now I am writing only definition of morphology. And morphology is the branch of biology in which we study about shape and size of a living thing. So you will study about the shape and size of different cells, and you will learn how we know about the cells. What is the history of discovery of cells? Thank you. I will have a nice day.